Good morning, student. I'm your computer teacher. My name is Mrs. Suman. I teach you computer. Today we start our first chapter, networking concept. In this chapter, we learn what is the networking, what are the networking and its component and advantage. What is a networking? Networking is two or more computers are connected to each other and share its resources. That is networking. In this chapter, we learn a networking concept. So let's start networking concept. Thank you. Thank you, Nola.
Today we will learn about networking concepts. In our daily life, we come across different types of networks. Let us understand this concept by some examples. Network of roads, railway lines, canals, etc. Communication network of telephone system, which enable us to talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Network of banks or ATMs, automated teller machines. Radio or television network broadcast programs live across the globe. Video conferencing allows discussions between people at distant or far off places. Network of malls, schools, hospitals, etc. all over the country. Internet is an outcome of cyber networking. Imagine life without networking. No phone, no television, no internet, etc. Computer networks have extended the power of a computer beyond the expanse of a room. Let's know more. When two users have simultaneous conversation via internet, it is called conferencing. When this process is supplemented by live video, it is called video conferencing. Let's talk about networking. A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. For example, if one of the computers in a network has a printer attached to it, then all the computers in that network can access the printer and use it to print the documents as shown in the following figure, where computer A and B in a network can give the print command to the printer attached with computer C. The computers in a network can communicate with each other as well as work independently. Each computer in a network is called a node. The computers in a network can be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, or infrared light beams. Okay, now let me tell you advantages of networking. Networking in computers brings efficiency, economy, and effectiveness in an organization. Efficient use of storage media. It is better to store a shareable application data on a network drive than to store a copy of the application on each user's storage device. It is better to have one big hard disk in the server than to have small hard disks in different computers. Preserving information. It is difficult to maintain regular backups on a number of standalone computers. When you keep backups on a central location, you have one place to look for the lost information. Reduction in hardware cost. In a network, the hardware devices that are not used very often, like modems, printers, scanners, CD writers, etc., can be shared. This reduces the cost of the hardware. Efficiency. In a network, the deletion, modification, or upgradation of the software or data is to be done at a single point only. This brings more efficiency and effectiveness into a working system. Redundancy. A network reduces the need for hard copies of all documents. By sharing the soft copy of a file over the network, the need to share paper copies of reports or any other information can be eliminated or greatly reduced. Quickest document delivery. Networking provides a facility to instantly deliver soft copies from one computer to the other computers throughout the world. Know the fact. Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to interconnect mobile phones, computers, printers using short range of wireless connection. For more information, visit www.bluetooth.com. Let's talk about networking components. To establish wired networking in a group of computers, we require the additional components that are as follows. Network card. A network card is used to physically attach a computer to a network so that it can participate in network communication. Ethernet network card is most commonly used network card. Nowadays, most computer motherboards come with an inbuilt network card. Networking cable. Modern Ethernet networks use twisted pair cable containing 8 wires. These wires are arranged in a special order and an RJ45 connector, similar in design but bigger than the connector used with a telephone wire, is crimped at both ends of the cable. Modem. A modem enables you to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone lines. It converts the digital signals of a computer into analog signals to enable their transmission via phone lines. At the destination, the receiving modem further converts the analog signal into digital signal so that the
Now, today we read about networking. What are the networking? In networking, two or more computers are connected to each other. We can share our data through internet. Like we use phone, ATM machine, all are the example of networking. And after that we revise here advantage of networking. There are so many advantages we read in this chapter. Hope so you understand this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.